Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm Gertrude J. Chapman of Turning Point Enrichment Incorporation, and I want to invite you to a free webinar that I'm having this Thursday, April the 9th at 7:30 p.m. And it's called How to Start Your Own Home Business. So I want you to share out this broadcast. Share it forward because this is something that can help many people. And I'm going to tell you how to create a fully functional website. So you can start selling, either what you do or, what you know. Even if you are internet challenged, it doesn't matter, okay? It does not matter. Now, this is something that suddenly came upon us. For all of us, our world drastically changed within 24 hours. And for many, your income has been impacted by ways that you could have never imagined. None of us could have seen this, okay? People have had their finances turned upside down with this COVID-19 crisis. And, many people right now, they're worrying. They're worrying a lot. Thank you for joining me today. And I want to tell you, but there's good news to this. There are two ways that you could look at things. You could either sit around and wait for things to get better, or you can create an opportunity for yourself. And right now, this is the perfect time for you because online businesses are still going strong. People are still buying and selling. Okay, I want to, add that encouragement to you because there's so much, you hear so much, negative things right now. I want to, let you know that life is still going on. Life is still moving forward. Okay, schools are still operating online. Big businesses, they're still operating online. Every business that was ready just continued their businesses, their business operation online, okay? And a home-based business can do the same. There's no difference. You could build your online business, your home business, okay? Now, I've been saying this for years. I've been telling people, how to set up their businesses online because this is where everything's going. Always be ready. So you don't have to rush to get ready, okay? You don't have to rush to get ready as far as technology is concerned, okay? As far as technology is leading us. You can't be afraid of technology, okay? Because this is where we are. This is where we are. And it's a great thing to be able to use all of the functionality that is available to us right now, all right? Not even thinking of a pandemic, but technology. So people won't get left behind. So people, their money won't be impacted in such a way that it will be, they look at it as detrimental. How am I going to come out of this, and they're worrying. I mean, there's a lot of people worrying right now. And, many of you have heard my story of, how I was laid off twice through no fault of my own, and the emotional roller coaster that led me into a deep depression. And the reason why, because my income was drastically diminished because of the housing crisis, back in 2005, 2007. So I know how it feels to face a suddenly. It doesn't feel good. But there is a way, okay? There is a way that you could do something about this. When you can't pay your bills, when you have the creditors calling and you have to make arrangements. I lived through that because I was a person that always paid my bills on time, before time, and I paid them off. And, the crux of the whole matter was I couldn't find a job. Even though I had an impeccable resume, and I could arrange my resume without lying, to fit the jobs that the employment office was asking for. But there was nothing for me. Because, I have extensive education and experience, but there was nothing for me. The bottom fell out, just like it's happening now in many people's lives, the suddenly. And I made a decision to follow the shift and start a business from writing my books. And I wrote my books to serve others from the knowledge and the expertise that I have. I built my business from scratch online. And I have successfully, operated Turning Point Enrichment Incorporation for 11 years now, 100% online. I have clients from all over the world. I teach my classes online. I do my webinars online. I sell my books and products online. I collect my money online. And everything is seamless. And if I could do it, you could do the same. Technology, makes it possible where you could be anywhere in the world and still reach your clients. Anywhere. From the comfort of your own home. Now look at it this way. While you are stuck at home, think about what hobbies or businesses that you could start from the comfort of your home. Writing was once a hobby for me, but I turned it into a viable online business. That's what I did. And if I could do it, you could do the same. You could do the same. Now, here's another way to look at it. Here's another way to look at, creating your business online. I could be anywhere in the world and still conduct business. I've been on cruises and I still connected with my clients. Maybe, look at it this way, maybe you have a brick and mortar and you serve in your locale. Think about how you can increase your client base to reach a worldwide audience. And this is something that I'm going to teach you this Thursday. How to create, thank you for joining me today, an online presence and reach your customers. Even if you are online challenged, this is for everyone. This is something that everyone can benefit from. And the best part, your website does not have to be expensive. It doesn't have to cost in the thousands in order for you to reach your clients. You could save money and be professional at the same time. And I'm talking about being searchable on Google. I'm not talking about just throwing something up there, okay? I'm talking about being fully searchable on Google. And you know what? It's always a good idea to have something on the side. From what you do to what you know. Wouldn't you agree with me? A place where you could pull money from if you need to, especially when you face a crisis in life. It always, the saying is, never put all your eggs in one basket. You have to diversify your life. So if something happens over here, you have something to pull from over there. Thank you for joining me today. Just like what we are dealing with now. So take the opportunity and find out how you can benefit from starting your own online home business. And this is something that I'm going to be teaching on this free webinar this coming Thursday. And if you want to reserve your seat, it's free. It costs you nothing, okay? It's just, some extra knowledge for you. Something for you to think about. Something for you to get, active about. Go to bit.ly/starting my online home business and reserve your seat. Reserve your seat because this is something that could benefit you. you need money to operate in this world. And there's things that you know, there's things that you do for free where you could be creating another stream of income in your life. Even if you work in a job, you could have something on the side, okay? So go to bit.ly/starting my online home business. And this webinar is this Thursday, April 9th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I want to thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, share this broadcast forward. Share it forward because many people are going through because their income has been impacted by this COVID-19 crisis. And again, I'm Gertrude J. Chapman. Remember, this is your time, this is your season, this is your turning point. So have a great rest of the day.